Hawkins, mae'n ychydig o le yn troi y tro hwn at Tyrese Owen. Os na gyfle am ergyd, Tyrese Owen! Ac am arbediad dda, lawr i'w 10 gan Stanton yn y diwedd. A mi oedd hi'n arbediad campus, rhaid dweud. Wilson, yr eilydd felly, ychydig dros 20 munud y weddill. Wilson drwy'r mur, ond unwaith eto arbediad weddol hawdd i Stanton yn y diwedd. Williams yn dod yn fyr. Lan at Martel yn rheoli ar ei frest. At Wilson, y croesiad yn wych ar dros llun llygol. Mae'n syrthio Tybone yn syth at Stanton. Mae dal yno nawr, mae'n cael ei chlirio yn y diwedd. Wel, chwarae gwych gan Matthew Stanton yn y gôl yn arbed ddwywaith i Dreigiau Baglan fyna. McNamara. Williams ar hediad lawr ar asgell lle. McNamara nôl i fewn at Watts ar ôl sodliad. Os na gyfle fan hyn, John! Chydig heibio'r postyn. Mi ddath i oddi ar yr amddiffynwr. Wel, mi oedd hi'n sodliad hyflyd gan Wilson tuag at Harry John. Ac am eiliad o'n i'n meddwl bod hi'n mynd yn syth i'r gornel isa. A Brosesi yn edrych i gymryd y gornel yn gyflym o'r ochr draw ar ei drod chwith. I ganol y cwrt Cosby y peniad! A ryw ffordd Matthew Stanton yn achub Dreigiau Baglan. Mi ddath oddi ar sawl corff yng nghanol y cwrt Cosby. 94 y funudau, Martel mewn ychydig o le yn troi nôl ar ei drod dde. Martel yn mynd y syth at y gol am arbediad gan Stanton. A ddodd neb yno i Hwlffordd i droi hwnna nôl i fewn i'r gol. Ac fe awn ni'n syth felly at giciau o'r smotyn. Tybone felly yn erbyn Stanton. Tybone yn syth i'r gornel isa. Williams, arbediad rhagorol gan Zach Jones. Wilson i'r gornel isa. Thomas yn erbyn Zach Jones. Thomas syth lawr y canol, hyfryd, dim problem o gwbl. Taylor Crossdale, unwaith eto'n syth lawr y canol. Luke Evans. Luke Evans, am arbediad rhagorol rhaid dweud gan Zach Jones. A Brosesi felly, a dyna ni, a Brosesi i'r gornel isa, a Hwlffordd sydd yn mynd i'r drydedd rownd.
We competed for 90 minutes, we were under a lot of pressure, but yeah, the squad was a bit thin today through injuries and absences, so again, we just couldn't ask for no more. They've put a huge shift in and just gutted really that we couldn't get over the line in penalties.
I thought Matthew Stanton in the goal was fantastic today, kept you in it in the 90, but at the end of the day, nothing you could do at the end with a penalty shootout.
No, he's a top quality goalkeeper and he's pulled off some great saves there, and his experience helps the team, and to be fair, he normally pulls off a lot of penalty saves, but the quality on the penalties by Haverfordwest today was just, he couldn't have done nothing about it. So.
Well, Tony, congratulations, you're through to the third round. Maybe a frustrating afternoon overall?
Yeah, listen, Baglan Dragons were fantastic. I thought, I watched them last Friday and I knew it was going to be tough because they're well organised, well coached, and they work hard for each other. And if you do that as a team, then you give yourself a chance, and they certainly did that today. So I've got to give them credit first and foremost.
You kept going throughout the 90, just couldn't find that piece of quality at the end to get the ball in the back of net, I guess.
No, spot on. Just the quality in the final third was not there. We've had enough chances to win several games there, but we didn't take our chances, and then it's a lottery at the end, and penalties and us at the moment is just something that I know we do okay at, but yeah, we've got a lot of work to do. I think that's obvious for a lot of people. I was going to say, at the end of the day, at least it's nice to know that you've got someone as as quality as Zach Jones, if he's the king, I guess, of penalty shootouts, to save you in the end. Yeah, it's ridiculous the amount of penalties he saves, if I'm honest, and he's a solid goalkeeper. He does his job. He's done his job today. Just other people need to do their jobs.
Reece, congratulations on the win. Overall, a frustrating afternoon for all of you, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I think overall we were quite poor, but we know it was going to be tough, and credit where credit's due. I think Baglan, they defended well on times. We threw a lot at them and they defended well, so it was always going to be tough, but yeah, I do agree, quite frustrating.